Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk you through my appointment with Jenn. Jenn is a sweetheart. She's so cute and always so much fun when she comes in to see me. She wears 3 rows of NBR and we always make sure she has a nice bright blonde front. And this time she wanted to brighten up a little bit more throughout, and I was happy to oblige. So we did some really nice foiling all through her head, and then a root smudge and all of that fun stuff before we got into her beadwork. So here we are. This is on her second of 3 rows, and we're just putting the beads in. She always brings her laptop and we watch whatever show she's into at the moment, and I'm always addicted to whatever she's watching after that. So she's gotten me hooked on several really cool shows. But today we were watching a real estate show. It was cute. So we're doing the beadwork. This is the foundation of NBR. It just allows you to have minimal points of contact, and the hair is balanced throughout, and there's no like heaviness. It's very lightweight and flexible. Once we have the beads done, then we can stitch in her rows. Because this was a move up, her new install was last time. So I could just easily put the rows back on, and I didn't have to cut them apart or do anything extra. And we could just put those back in, get them stitched on, and get everything ready for her style. Like I said, she wears 3 rows, and normally 3 rows is when you need extra blending, but we just like a lot of hair. So then we went through, and I'm using my Babyliss, this is Bio-Ionic, 1.25" barrel. And I just like to do a nice soft wave. I like a little definition, but I don't really want it to be like super tight beach wave kind of raked out look. I just like a nice soft curl. So we give her a nice bouncy, almost blowout kind of look with her curls, and we get that really easily using the larger barrel. So we just go through, I'll separate row by row and then do her natural hair on top last, and everything just blends really well. We're going to do actually a little bit of dry texture spray, and then we'll do the rake out. So a little bit of spray after you've let your curls cool, let that dry, and then you can just kind of either finger through, or I've been loving this big giant comb from Paul Mitchell. I've used these for 100 years, and now they're just perfect for getting that beautiful, like broken up curl without making them too fluffy. So they're really, it's just personal preference. But that's what I've been using right now. I guess you can't really see it in this clip very well, but you get to see the ends of it. So what we do after we get her raked out is we'll do some after photos, and it's super fun because it lets you feel like really, even if you don't love getting your picture taken, I like to make it super fun. Like right now, this is just the basic photos, but then I've been working on my curls, but then I always like to do a little bit more of a fun pose and just try to get you to relax and feel really pretty, and it's just the best day.